In this video, I want to teach you how you can make your Google Chrome browser work faster to avoid issue with slow opening, slow browsing, and the rest. So just head straight to your Google Chrome browser and go to settings. So once you get to settings, this is what you're going to see. This is the interface you're going to see. And all what you need to do is you head straight to privacy and security. Okay. So you see the option clear browsing data, you see cookies and other site data, you see security, you see site settings, you see privacy sandbox. So, but all we'll do is we'll click on the first one, which is clear browsing data. So we come here because most cases, sometimes maybe you have accessed too many pages and you've done a whole lot of things on your browser, and this could actually result to a slow browsing, which you wouldn't want. So all what you do is in this time range, all what you do is you select all time. So you wouldn't want to lose all your data. So all what you do is you can see when you click on cached image and file, this third one, you can see that it's saying you're going to free up 185 MB. Okay, some sites may load more slowly on your next visit. Okay, so this will really help you free up every memory, everything that is actually causing delay in browsing on your Google Chrome browser. So once you've done this, you click on the three options. Please note that before you do this, you are going to lose everything on your Google Chrome. Okay, if you have something very important, you wouldn't want to do this. Okay, so once you do this, you click on clear data. It flushes everything on your Google Chrome browser, and your Google Chrome becomes very new. Okay, yes, thank you very much, and thank you for your time. Bye bye.